What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2016 Kymco K-Pipe. It's 124cc. It's kind of Kymco's version of the Grom or the Pro. We just got this thing in. We're going to walk around it really quickly. As you can see, it still has the fender kit on here for the license plate. Has that small back tire, but the tread is good. It's chain driven. There you can see it coming back through a sprocket. Coming up here, you can see we got 2 turn signals and the tail light. So there is that. You can see it has the factory exhaust here. Some small like rust here on the exhaust. I'm gonna guess the guy that had this before probably kept it outside, maybe under cover, but just a little bit of rust there. So that's something to note. And we got this little scratch right there, right there. You can see that black wheel. There's the K-pipe on the side. Does have passenger pegs. I would probably be a tough sell to be riding around with 2 folks on this, but there's your passenger seat and your rider seat. Got your rider peg, got your rear brake. Does have a kickstart. In case something happened to the battery, you could kick it. There you can see the side of the tank, the Kymco on there, the white. All this paint in here is in really nice shape. Even these little fins in here, the matching white. There you can see the motor. And just a little bit of rust in there, I'm going to point out. There's all that. There's the side of the wheel, so you got the black wheel. There's you get your front brake. Spin it around. You see your fork tubes there, they're in nice shape. Upper and lower. Coming down to that front brake. Jump over to the other side. There it is there. Also in nice shape. There's that black front wheel. I got a little scratch here in the front fender, right on my pointer finger. So there's that. There's that front wheel, decent tread, same as the back, ready to rock and roll. There's your front fender. Got some little marks back in here, almost just like a little bit of it's like a clear smudge. Spin it around. See the tank from this side. All the stuff's in nice shape. There's the Kymco on the tank. There's all that. Of course, you have your rider peg, your shifter. Interesting thing about this bike, all the way down is neutral and the gears are up. You have your kickstand there. Got your passenger peg. A little mark. Oh, this little piece there came right off my fingernail. There's the K-pipe on this side. And we already saw the seat, but here's the seat here. Passenger seat, rider seat. This is in nice shape. No tears or anything in the seat. Here's your fuel cap. Of course, you have your clutch, controls. Does have a choke. Got your throttle, controls, brake. Turn this thing on. You can see that there are 3,049 miles. So that is that. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. So if you're interested in this machine, make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube. It will be there. Let's fire this thing up. Just give it a little bit of choke. That very, very quiet. Like I said, it is the 124cc. Just shut off. I'll have to get a little bit more choke. I'll just jump in and do that right now. There's that. Anyway, there's that. I was just out riding it around. It's very quiet. Let's make sure this turn signal works. There you go. That's the audible part there too. There's this side. In the back, there's that one. And there's that one. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2016 Kymco K-Pipe. It's 124 cc's. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube and check out the bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.